got mail.
Alright guys, Mail Thing Thursday 9.5 just came out. I mean, I had to put out a half because I did mess up. And I've got mail. I've got mail again. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with this piece right here, and we're going to open her up. So let's open her up and see what we got here. We got a box. And we got gift receipts. Alright, hold on. Let me lay these out right here. This one says, "Hi Kuntry 3D, enjoy your gift from Alien 3D." So let's see what Alien 3D has gotten me. Let's see what we got here. This is the first one of these I've ever owned. Well, no, I can't say that because I got a Mark III. But this is the first one I've ever had just regular. This, my friends, is an all-metal E3D V6 with Bowden tube, universal Bowden tube, and it comes from makerfarm.com. Thermistor, heater cartridge, heater block, all of it's in here, ready for Bowden, little plastic Bowden deal. It's got the clips in here, a little bitty expensive clips in there. See that? And I've got another one somewhere. God dang, where did I put that? Son of a book. I bet it's on my desk here somewhere. So Alien 3D, thank you very much for the E3D V6. I'm gonna lay these right here. They'll go in the Amazon thing in just a minute. All right. Let's set this aside. This goes in my parts because that's where it's going. It's going on there. So, packaging material. Let's open this one. What does it say? It's ultra gray. So let's see what we got. Gift receipts. And I know who this is from. Because he sent me an email, said he was sending me. I know what that is too. Said, "Hi Walter, just a few extra things you will need when you do your 500 by 500. I will build at the same time." Actually, this is the 300 by 300, but these are LM12UU bearings. Well, let's see. We've got a Ziploc bag here. Let's see if I can actually open it and get them out. I know you know what bearings look like, but I'm gonna take them out anyway. Yep, that's exactly what that is. 4-pack of bearings because I need 4 of them for the 2 ends, the dual lead screws. This is from David Olson. He doesn't put his name on it. That's who it's from, and I know it is because he sent me a email stating that exact thing. So that's going in the envelope. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Nope. Packing material. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can struggle with this bag again. Nope, this one come right open. Good deal. Let's go in here. Oh, we got gift receipt. Y'all are getting smarter. Hey, I am rubbing off. I know your name this time, buddy. "Hi, Walter. Enjoy your gift from Johnny B. Brewer." That's Matrix Clone. That's who that is. Last mail thing, I didn't get that right. Matrix Clone. Let's see what he got, because I don't know. What is it? I got made in China. Now, let's see what we got here. I got to open it and see. Of course, it's from Amazon, so you know everything's double packed. Aha! This, and I don't want. I'll take it out. This is 5 meters of GT2 belt. So, my wife's calling in. She's gonna have to wait just a minute until I finish this. All right, so we're gonna set this down here, and I'm going to put that in the packing material. So let's see what is in this box. This one also. This says from HE3D. HE3D. I don't know what this is. Let's find out. She's calling back again. What is this? Oh, wow. This is a Titan extruder. In a nice little box. You can see that extruder in there. That's awesome. And there's a gift receipt in here. We got packing material. And get the gift receipts out. Packing material over there. I really got to get me a box for packing. I got to get me a box for everything. Alright. So I have a gift receipt. Hi, Walter. Enjoy your gift from Mr. Buttram. Y'all aren't very creative. David Olson's the only one that changes it from enjoy your gift. Him and Robbie Mac. Robbie Mac does too. Oh, that's a box. We're going to keep that. And for those of y'all on morning coffee this morning, I actually already opened these for y'all first thing this morning. But I want to show you what we got. Booyah! We got other stickers. So, that's working. My wife is calling again. You'd think she'd give up after a minute. Anywho, that's this segment. And that's what we got. I think we've just about exhausted the parts. We got a few more coming that I know of. But I'll see you in just a second. Alright, well, today we got one piece of mail. There was supposed to be two if you were on morning coffee, you know this. But only one showed up, so we're going to see what this is. And it says it's to me from Centron Technology, so I'm pretty sure it's a part for the build coming up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got gift receipts. I love it when people give gift receipts. That's so awesome. Cool. What is this one? What is this? Open source electronics, the best components. Oh, I know what this is. And I was going to print these this morning. That was part of my morning coffee. But I got a pack of LM8UU bearings that we're going to use instead. Because, you know, I'm going to tell you now that printed bearings work, and they work well. And if you have to use them, then use them. But if not, LM8UUs will be the best. But let's get to this. Once again, somebody customized their message. Oh, no, wait. No, they didn't. Hi, Walter. Enjoy your gift from Mr. Buttram. Thank you, Mr. Buttram. I do appreciate it. And they will definitely be put to good use. Thank you very much, sir. And for those of you watching this, I'll see you in a second. Alright, guys. Here we are for the mail again. I got one thing in the mail today. And this is from 3D Maker World. So let me get my knife over here, and we will cut it open and see what this is. Because it's a very thin package. It doesn't look like there's very much in here. But we shall see. We shall see what is in here. Oh, wow. He's so nice. So nice. And he sent me 2 more collet clips, which is cool because I do need them. None of the cheap E3D V6 knockoffs come with them. So that's fantastic. 3D Maker World, thank you very much. Kuntry Klub rocks, as always. There's no note or anything in here, so that's pretty much the end of this segment. Thank you very much, sir, and we'll see you right now. Alright, so this is the last piece of Mail Thing Thursday before, you know, I edit it and put it all together. Well, I got to do the ending thing, but, you know, you'll see that in a second. I got one box here that I got a few days ago, and I just haven't sat down and opened, and I'm going to open it now. It is a quite large box, and for those of you that follow the channel and have been watching and know what's going on, you know exactly what this is. And the thing is, it's a day late and $1 short, and I hate that because, you know, they had promised to sponsor the build that this was supposed to be used for, and now I've got to figure out some other project to use it for. Let me get it all out of here, and I'm just going to open it down here, and then I'll set some stuff up here. We'll turn on the overhead so I can bring it in. I'll bring it in up here. Let me get this. You can kind of sort of see me opening it on the floor. And I will be able to open and show what it is. Okay. have here is we have some CPE HG 100 extra fill, and we have some CPE HG 100 extra fill. There are 4 boxes of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 boxes of this. This was what I had planned to build the frame for the Hypercube out of, and it did not arrive in time. So, Filamentum, thank you. And I will find some project to invest this filament into. I am sorry that it is not the frame that we have, that I am building. I apologize for that, but I couldn't wait. I mean, it's 6/5. I now have, what, 16 days to build a Hypercube. And the extrusions alone were 268 hours of printing. So, it just wouldn't work. So, anyway, I'm going to film the ending for the Mail Thing Thursday, get it all put together, and this is what you'll see. But, thank you, Filamentum. I will use it. We will use it for a project. And it will say sponsored by Filamentum, because you sent me this for a project. It didn't get here in time, and I apologize for that. But it will be used for a project to be determined, not just willy-nilly. So, guys, we'll see you in just a second for the ending. Like, now. Well, what the heck do you know? I made it through a whole Mail Thing Thursday without having to do a voiceover. Y'all like that too, didn't you? You did. I know. I know you did. No, you didn't. Y'all get your laughs when I have to do a voiceover. But I am so thankful that I didn't forget any of them this time. So that is Mail Thing Thursday for, whatever it be, 6/7, I think. Today's the 5th. So, yeah, for 6/7, 2018, without not one voiceover in the entire video. Once again, the Kuntry Klub has came through. I got parts. I got stuff I needed. Filamentum sent me some filament, which was awesome. Late, but awesome still. Guys, these companies will respond sometimes if you ask. So, yeah, I mean, you know, you just have to keep on keeping on. And that's just the way it is. I mean, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Life is that way. Just keep on going and trying and pushing, and you will get what you deserve or what you seek. You know? I'm working on it. I work on myself every day. But the Kuntry Klub is a big help. You guys are awesome. And even if you're not a member of the Kuntry Klub, if you sent me some mail, you're awesome. Got a bunch of stickers. If you're not coming to Earth and you want a sticker, self-addressed envelope. Hey guys, if you like the video, you like what we're doing, there's some links below. You can support the channel. Give us a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. You know, follow along as we journey through this thing called 3D printing together. That's exactly what it'll be. It'll be together. So, and believe you me, I need lots of help. But that's Mail Thing Thursday, and that's a wrap. And we will see you in the morning for coffee.